high quality, and high price, machine delivers purity of riding experience. I should preface this article by saying that I am young, well, in my early 30s physically, mental age varies, and I am a nerd. That means I've written more lines of code than I care to remember, can traverse a balanced tree data structure on a whiteboard, and I like to read books on things like graph theory. It's terribly interesting stuff, honest. I'm a big picture, early adopter kind of guy and like to jump straight to the end game and skip all the faff in the middle. I've already invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other digital currencies. I've ditched television and sourced my moving picture binge sessions from Amazon Prime, Netflix, and YouTube. I don't know the last time I went to a physical store to do any shopping, either. You get the idea. Therefore, after some reflection, it's perhaps a bit odd that it took me 11 years into my official, license-holding, motorcycling career to jump aboard an electric bike. Granted, they haven't been commonplace for even half that time, but they've been around long enough. The narrative is often that electric is the future, yet I have to admit it didn't resonate with me. I didn't shun electric bikes, I just thought they seemed a bit boring. Besides, I had a Triumph Street 675, which is obviously the best bike in the world ever. Then I had the chance to ride a Zero SR for a few weeks back in the summer and it took all of about 10 miles to see how wrong I'd been. My mind was blown when I realized how fast, quiet, and easy to ride it was. But the bigger revelation was far deeper. I learned that the part I like most about riding bikes is actually riding bikes. To be clear, I knew I liked riding bikes, but I attributed a disproportionate amount of that enjoyment to sweet engines and awesome-sounding exhaust notes. The Zero taught me that I just like riding. I like tipping into corners, trying to find good lines, and trying to improve with every mile in the saddle. The SR taught me that I get near the same riding pleasure from a silent, torquey, fume-free electric bike as I do a fire-breathing Ducati 1299 Panigale S. Don't get me wrong, a Panigale is special, and riding one is an occasion, but its engine is apparently not the thing that keeps me coming back. My nerdy, bigger picture mind kicked in and decided, almost on the spot, that as soon as the obvious pitfalls of electric bikes, battery capacity and charge point availability, are solved, gas bikes will become a thing of the past, in the developed world, at least. All of this made accepting an invitation from Energica to ride its latest bike, the Esse 9, a complete no-brainer. I'd been itching to ride another electric bike, and here was a golden opportunity.